So what else can we display? Well, you can display anything you want from here, but I recommend keeping everything simple because you don't want the user to have so many information to look at. The main goal of the application is to display the results. This is the main goal. But if you want to add more information, such as here, for each single match, you will get for example, the country name, the league name. In case you are displaying more than one league, then of course you need to display the league name. And of course, if you are getting leagues from different countries, you need to display the country name. But in my case, I'm only getting one single league from England. So there's no need to do that. But I'm going to be showing you how to do that anyways. You can also display any of these keys depending upon what you want to display. For example, you can display match time. You can display the match status, completed or cancelled. Many things can be displayed. But again, my recommendation is to keep things simple. So I'm going to be showing you how to display a couple of these keys, and then you can repeat the same process over and over again and display whatever key you have here. The process is the same. The only difference is the key. The key, all you need to do is to change the key. So let me show you how you can do that. First, let me show you here. I'm going to be displaying the league name and the country. So here, what I'm going to do below this span, below the team right span, I'm going to display here dev. I'm going to say here dev, and then I'm going to say here double curly braces, and then I'm going to say result dot, and then I'm going to be displaying remember, I'm going to be displaying the league name, this league name. So I'm going to say league underscore name. But if you save and refresh, it's going to be displayed, but we will have a problem. Let me save and refresh. As you can see, it's going to be displayed here. But the problem is that the design, we need to work on the design so that it looks better than this. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to say here style, and then I'm going to first say clear both, because we have used float. So we need to clear both sides. The second thing that we need to do is that we need to give this div a width of 100%. And then we need also to say text align center. I need to center the text. And I'm going to also change the font. I'm going to say font size, and then I'm going to say, let's say 10px. And let me also say margin top. And then I'm going to say margin top of 50px. Of course, you can create a class and use a class instead of using inline CSS. But here, just for the sake of simplicity, I'm going to be using style here. Let me save and let me now refresh and show you the difference. So as you can see now, it looks amazing. Here it's displaying the league name. Here the league name is being displayed. You can increase, of course, the margin top. I think the margin top should be increased a little. I'm going to say 80px. So the margin top now is much bigger. It's much bigger, but if you increase the margin top, you need also to increase the height. So you can increase the height to 120 so that the text doesn't get outside the component. So as you can see now, it looks better. The second thing that I'm going to be displaying is the country name. Again, the country name should be displayed only if you are getting so many leaks from different countries. Otherwise, there is no need to display the name. If you are targeting, if your customers are from one country, then there is no need to display the name. So for the name, I'm going to say here dev, and then I'm going to say double curly braces, and then result dot country underscore name, and then I'm going to here say style. Again, I'm going to say style. So the style is going to be first I'm going to say width 100%, and I'm going to say text align center, and I'm going to say also font size. So the font size is going to be 10px, and that's it, I think. Here you can display, by the way, you can here display league, and then colon, and here also you can display country, so that the user knows what this is. Let me save and let me refresh now. As you can see, this is gonna display here league, and then the name of the league, and then the country, and then the second match, the third match, the fourth, the sixth, the seventh, etc. So no matter how many matches you have, it's gonna display the league name and also the country. So as you can see now, it looks outstanding, and we have all of the results of all of the matches of that league that have been played during this period.